to JoJo Cartoons. I'm shutting the door. Today, we're going to be making something homemade, so pull up your sleeves. Instant replay. Pull up your sleeves. And again. Sorry. So pull up your sleeves. Get your apron on. And today we are going to be making a homemade piggy bank. We're going to be making a homemade piggy bank out of a can. And the things you're going to need is, I'm using a can, turtle can that used to hold turtle food. You can use any kind of can, but I think that this one is going to work best. I'm going to be using a whole lot of acrylic paint, so you can use whatever color. You're going to need a paintbrush. I'm using a sponge paintbrush. This is optional. I just thought that it would be easier. And some tape. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take your lid off your can, if you even have a lid, which you're going to need. Your can needs a lid. And then, the next thing you're going to do is pull up your apron, because you don't want to get on your nice church clothes. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to get your sponge and the color that you are going to paint your can. I'm going to be painting mine, I guess, green, dark green. But first, this is optional. It's just I wanted to do it. You are going to tape your initial on there. Can't really see it, you might can. And then what you're going to need to do is get your paintbrush and add your paint to it, and then just paint the whole entire thing. So, speed. Oh, and I would also advise a towel. Yay. My mom's gonna kill me. Back to work. Okay, so I've got the first layer done, and now we're going to do the second layer while it's drying. It really dries really fast. I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but on to more painting. Yay. Good. Okay guys, so next things, well, looks like I'm going to have to do a whole lot of layers, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so I ended up just going in with my finger and dipping it in the paint and going around because the sponge wasn't exactly working that good. But once you've finished your painting, then you're going to find your tape. Oh, first you're going to let it dry. So, until we are done letting it dry, get your fingers ready, because we're going to grab your lid. And since my lid's already the color that I want it, you're just going to grab anything, parental supervision for this part, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. But get your parents to cut a little slit in the lid, and as your thing is, now that our thing is most likely dry, I think, we're going to try. Hey, Jojo. Yeah? Come here. Okay, I am back, and, get your parents to, with an X-Acto knife, cut a little slit for your, piggy bank. And now, hoping that it's dry, we're going to look at our can. We're going to find our tape. And peel it off. If I can get it. And now there's a J on it. And you can see I got a little bit of paint on there, which is fine. And we're just going to set this to the side. We don't need it anymore, so you can throw it away. And now, you can rinse your brush off. Now, again, this is optional. You don't even need your brush, most likely. But get any color. I'm using blue. All of this is optional. And color in the part that your tape was in. Like I said, I'm using blue. Let me get some more of that. I don't know what's wrong with this paint. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. It's going to be backwards for you guys. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to put your lid on. And there you have it. And then you can add whatever design you want to. I'm about to stop the video and then play it back because I'm about to decorate. That way it doesn't look all nasty and stuff. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is a 360 of it. Now I know the J is backwards for y'all guys. But I just added a few polka dots and you're done. And all you need to do is add money to it. So, goodbye everyone. Raph and Roxy, love you. Go eat potato chips.